2023 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. With less than 16,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It delivers power and performance along with tons of features such as automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, heads-up display, satellite radio, navigation, night vision, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.